Imagine a world where virtual reality transforms every aspect of our ports and logistics. Welcome to the future of Metaport services. This is a future where technology and innovation are the driving forces behind efficient and sustainable port operations. Meta. Port is a powerful concept, a convergence of advanced technologies such as virtual reality, augmented reality, artificial intelligence, simulation, and optimization. These technologies are not just isolated tools. They are interconnected gears in a well-oiled machine that's set to revolutionize port operations. Through VR, we can provide immersive training and operations. AR overlays real-time information, while AI offers predictive analytics. Simulations allow for scenario planning, and optimization ensures every process is as efficient as possible. This is not just a vision for the future, it's a reality that's already taking shape. Welcome to a new era of port logistics powered by Metaport services. Metaport is built on a foundation of cutting-edge technologies. Let's dive into the core of what powers this futuristic port service platform. First, there's virtual reality, or VR. It's not just for gaming anymore. In the context of Metaport, VR is used for immersive training and operations. Imagine port workers navigating their daily tasks in a simulated environment, honing their skills without the risks associated with real-world training. VR provides a safe and efficient way to train port personnel, preparing them for any situation they might encounter. Next, we have augmented reality, or AR. This technology overlays real-time information onto the physical world. Think of it as viewing the port through a lens that reveals hidden data. For port workers, Arkansas can display crucial information directly onto their field of view, helping them make informed decisions on the fly. Then we have artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is a game changer in the world of predictive analytics. It crunches vast amounts of data in real time, predicting ship schedules, berth allocation, QC allocation, berth operations, and even container dwell times. With AI, Metaport can anticipate and prepare for future events, reducing idle times and enhancing efficiency. Lastly, we have simulations. These are used for scenario planning, allowing port operators to test and validate their strategies before implementation. Simulations provide a sandbox where operators can tweak and adjust their plans, ensuring smooth operations and reduced congestion. But the real magic happens when all these technologies come together. VR, Arkansas, AI, and simulations don't work in silos. They intersect and interact, forming a comprehensive Metaport service platform. In this harmonious tech symphony, every piece plays a vital role, complementing the others and creating a whole that is more than the sum of its parts. These technologies, working in synergy, are the building blocks of the Metaport platform. They are the gears that keep the Metaport machine running, driving us towards a future where port operations are efficient, safe, and sustainable. AI plays a pivotal role in optimizing ship, berth, yard, and gate operations. In the bustling world of ports and logistics, every minute, every decision counts. And this is where artificial intelligence comes into play. AI is not just a buzzword in Metaport services, but a driving force that revolutionizes the way ship schedules and berth operations are managed. Let's dive into how AI predicts ship schedules. By leveraging real-time data on location and speed, AI algorithms can accurately forecast arrival and departure times. This enables port authorities to plan ahead, allocate resources efficiently, and minimize unnecessary downtime. Imagine a ship's journey being so precisely calculated that it seamlessly aligns with the port's operations. No delays, no hiccups, just smooth sailing. Now, let's turn our attention to berth operations. Docking a ship is no small feat. It requires meticulous planning and coordination. AI comes to the rescue here by predicting various aspects of berth operations. From docking times and work schedules to quality control allocations and waiting periods, AI's predictive capabilities enhance efficiency and reduce idle times. But how does AI do this? It's all about patterns and learning. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and learn from them. Over time, these algorithms become increasingly accurate, making predictions that are reliable and beneficial for port operations. AI's role doesn't stop at predictions. It also aids in decision-making. For instance, if a ship is predicted to be delayed due to unforeseen circumstances, AI can suggest optimal adjustments to the port's schedule, ensuring minimal disruption. So, what does all this mean for Metaport services? It means increased operational efficiency, reduced costs, and an overall smoother, more streamlined port experience. In a sector where time is money, AI's ability to predict and optimize can translate into significant savings. AI-based predictions ensure the smooth running of ship and berth operations, a crucial aspect of Metaport services. Simulations and optimizations are key to validating predictions and enhancing operations. Just as a chess player anticipates their opponent's moves to strategize effectively, Metaport uses simulations to visualize future scenarios. These simulations act as a sandbox, a safe space where we can validate AI predictions. By testing these predictions through simulations, we can identify potential issues early, ensuring that the actual operations run smoothly. But what good is identifying a problem without a solution? That's where optimization steps in. It's not just about spotting the bottlenecks, but about finding the most efficient ways to eliminate them. Metaport uses advanced algorithms to optimize operations from the berth to the yard, ensuring a smooth flow of containers and reducing congestion. Now, imagine a sudden change in circumstances, an unexpected ship arrival or a delay. In traditional port operations, this could lead to a domino effect of delays and inefficiencies. But with Metaport, we're always one step ahead. We utilize dynamic optimization to adjust operational plans on the fly. This ability to adapt in real time significantly improves port throughput, keeping everything running like a well-oiled machine. It's like playing a game of Tetris where the blocks are containers and the game board is the port. The goal is to fit these blocks most efficiently, maximizing space and time. Every move is calculated, every decision is data-driven, and every outcome is optimized. But it's not just about efficiency, it's about resilience too. By simulating and optimizing, we can prepare for a wide range of scenarios, making our ports resilient to disruptions. It's about ensuring that even in the face of unexpected events, our ports can bounce back quickly, keeping the global supply chain moving. So, whether it's a clear day with smooth sailing or a stormy day with turbulent waters, Metaport is ready. We're ready to validate, to optimize, and to adapt, ensuring that our operations stay efficient and flexible. Simulations and optimizations are integral to Metaport, ensuring operations stay efficient and flexible. Predicting yard operations is a game changer for port logistics. With the advent of AI and machine learning, we're now able to forecast key operational parameters with unprecedented accuracy. Let's dive into this. Take container dwell times, for example. This is the time a container spends in the yard from the moment it's offloaded from a ship until it's loaded onto a truck, AGV, shuttle carrier, or another ship. Accurate prediction of dwell times helps in optimizing container placement and consequently the overall yard space utilization. Now, consider gate turn times. That's the time a truck spends in the terminal from gate in to gate out. By accurately predicting this, we can effectively manage truck appointments, reduce waiting times, and ensure a smoother flow of traffic. Lastly, let's talk about yard occupancy rates. This is the ratio of the yard area occupied by containers to the total yard area. Accurate predictions of yard occupancy rates allow ports to better plan their space, anticipate peak periods, and avoid congestion. But how does all this prediction magic happen? Well, AI algorithms analyze historical data and real-time information, learning patterns and correlations. They then use this knowledge to make predictions about future events. And the beauty of it doesn't stop at just making predictions. These accurate forecasts facilitate better resource allocation. By knowing when and where resources will be needed, we can minimize delays, improve cargo handling processes, and ultimately enhance the overall efficiency of port operations. Moreover, these predictions can be integrated with other Metaport technologies. For instance, with virtual reality, we can visualize these predictions in an immersive environment, and with simulations, we can test and validate these predictions. In essence, predictive analytics in yard operations is not just about foreseeing the future. It's about using that foresight to make informed decisions, to optimize operations, and to create a more efficient and sustainable port logistics system. Predictive analytics in yard operations bring unprecedented efficiency to port logistics. A Metaport services yield tangible benefits for port operations. Imagine the possibilities when cutting-edge technologies come together to revolutionize the way ports function. First, let's talk about operational efficiency. With Metaport, the days of guesswork are over. AI predicts ship schedules and berth operations with precision, eliminating idle times and enhancing efficiency. Simulations validate these predictions and optimize operations, ensuring a smooth flow of vessels and cargo. No more congestion, no more delays, just a streamlined port buzzing with activity. But the benefits don't stop there. Metaport also brings significant cost savings. Accurate predictions enable better resource allocation, minimizing waste. With real-time information at their fingertips, port managers can make informed decisions that save both time and money. Safety, often overlooked, gets a major boost with Metaport. Virtual reality offers immersive training, preparing workers for every scenario without putting them in harm's way. Augmented reality overlays real-time information on the physical world, helping workers avoid accidents and ensuring a safer working environment. And let's not forget about the environment. Metaport services are designed to be green. By reducing idle times and optimizing operations, we cut down on fuel consumption and emissions. It's a win-win situation for the ports, for the economy, and for the planet. Now let's bring it to life with a success story. Picture a busy port struggling with congestion and delays. Enter Metaport. With its suite of technologies, the port transforms. Ship schedules are accurate down to the minute. Berth operations run like clockwork. Yard operations are optimized, reducing dwell times and improving cargo handling. The result? A dramatic increase in throughput, significant cost savings, and a safer, more sustainable port. The transformative impact of Metaport services is already being felt in ports worldwide. It's not just a vision of the future, it's happening right now, and it's changing the face of global logistics as we know it. The future of ports and logistics is bright thanks to Metaport services. Picture this. All ports operating on a unified platform powered by advanced technologies like virtual reality, augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and simulations. This isn't some far-off sci-fi concept, but a vision within our grasp. Imagine the ripple effect as all ports start to synchronize, sharing real-time data, insights, and predictive analytics. The result? A globally connected and efficient logistics network, ushering in a new era of seamless trade and transportation. No more idle time, no more guesswork, just optimized operations, increased efficiency, and cost savings. We're not just talking about a few ports here and there, but a worldwide network of ports and logistics services all humming along in perfect harmony. Metaport services are shaping the future of global trade and logistics, one port at a time. This is the future we're building. Welcome aboard with Metaport Consortium with HJNC and Busan.